Usually for this kind of thing, people don't really talk, just kind of quiet, you know, mouse clicks. I'll give that 2. God, praise the MX Vertical. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna talk, I'm doing do whatever I want, and yeah, here goes. And no, I'm not doing like an online typing quiz or anything. That's literally just how I type. Yeah, I'm pretty bad. There's also, of course, that's a Gateron Black and a Kale Box Black. Spring swapped to something or other, I don't keep track. That is a, oh god, Zelio V2 65 gram? Meh, whatever. And that's a Box Navy. Personal favorite so far. And that'd be it.